Hello, my most amazing artists. Today I'm going to show you how to make some space-inspired artwork. This is one version I did, and I'm going to show you a little slightly different version where it's just the Earth and the Moon. I'm using oil pastels, and I also have these construction paper crayons. These are really great for drawing on construction paper, especially darker colors, and they're a great non-messy option, whereas the oil pastels are a bit messier. I also have a circle tracer, aka just a lid that I'm using from something to trace a circle. So I'm actually going to use the crayons here to start, and I'm holding that lid in place and scooching my hand over so that I can go all the way around to get a nice perfect circle. And if you mess it up a little bit, it's okay. You can go around the edges and fix it up. Now I'm going to start adding some color. I'm going to draw in the continents, and I'm just going to do my best from memory. If you need to look at a picture of the Earth, that might help. And I'm using greens and browns to start with because that's what the Earth looks like from space. We can see all the mountains. I'm adding the water because the Earth is called the blue planet for a reason. There is a ton of water. And now I'm going in with some white, adding in our ice caps, and also those clouds that you'll see in those pictures of the Earth from space. Now, I sped up the video quite a lot, just so that you didn't have to sit here and watch me color forever. And now you're going to see me adding in my moon. I'm putting that over here in the right corner. And I freehanded my circle. That means I didn't use any guide or tracer, but if you need a circle tracer or stencil to help you out, go ahead. And I left some little spots on my moon for the craters. And I'm also not coloring in the whole circle. I'm keeping it really bright on the one side and just kind of very lightly filling it in to create that shadow on our moon, creating that 3D effect because it is a sphere, it is not flat. Same with my Earth to create that 3D form, giving it that more realistic sphere-like shape. We're adding a little bit of a shadow on the side. And I'm pressing really lightly at first so that I can build up to it and just adjust as needed. Now you're going to see me adding a couple stars. I'm using a variety of sizes and filling in that space. But you could add spaceships, you could add other planets, you could add shooting stars. It's your background, it's your art. So remember, have fun.